So today we're going to be machining the spindle bearing housings for the homemade CNC mill. So we're just facing the front and back of the part off right now. This is done just so that it's nice and straight and it gives the drill a bit of a easier start. So we center drilled it with a bigger drill again, and then we start using the boring bar to bore out the middle of the bearing housing so that we've got enough room to fit the bearings in. So I pressed the spindle bearings in and then gave it a bit of a test. I then went and mounted it all back on the machine and gave the spindle a test with a 12mm end mill. To see longer form videos, check out my channel.